So let's try and animate a singular object here. So we've knocked the snowman's head off. Let's try and animate the hat coming off. Right now, you can see actually because I've got the something different like the move tool selected. The keyframes are gone. So just to see them, if you need to see them, just click on the object that you animated. You can see they've come back. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to animate the hat falling off. Okay. So I am going to select the hat, and I've just selected frame 60. Okay, frame 60. And I'm just going to pop in a keyframe like that. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to move the frames up to 80. I'm going to move where I want the hat to go. Okay, so we'll say sort of somewhere over here, and in the snow there, and we might rotate it as well. Okay, so if we look from another angle, you can see it sort of there behind, so next to the snowman's head. So I'm just going to then add another keyframe in. Okay, and let's have a look at what we've got. So we're going to play that. That falls off. Snowball falls down. The hat falls off. Okay, not the greatest animation ever, but you get the idea. So although it's parented to the head, we can still animate the object individually as long as we click on it. Now, if you wanted to unparent the object, okay, so it wasn't part of the head anymore, what you can do is you can say you then want it to then animate it separately completely. You can grab the object, okay, hold down Shift on your keyboard, click and drag up to where it says collection, okay, and what that will do, that will then unparent the object. Okay, so it's then not part of the head anymore. So you can see it's come out the hat. Okay, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just going to undo that. So you can see it's gone back in there. If you wanted to do things like delete keyframes, okay, you can click on them and then delete keyframes. Okay, so you can kind of do the timeline like that. You can see here, if I play this, okay, so it will play, it will animate, and then it just keeps going. Okay, our animation won't stop on frame 80, so you can add an endpoint here, frame 80. So then when you go ahead and play it, it will just play those frames. Okay, so there's a few little bits you can do just to make it work a little bit easier. All right. So have a little go at the animation. Can you make maybe the body fly out? Can you like maybe attach or parent the head to the body, and then maybe have the snowman spinning round and falling over with the animation? Okay, just try it out, see how you go. Don't forget Control Z if you need to undo anything.